All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and with today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review of the Caudabe Lucid Clear cases for my iPhone 12. Now they do make these cases for the 12 Pro Max and the 12 Mini. I will link those down in the description if you do wanna buy these after watching this review video. Now, big thank you to Caudabe for sending these to me free of charge for my unbiased opinion and review. So thank you for allowing me to do this video. Now let's go ahead and dive into the actual unboxing of these. So they're both exactly the same, except one is graphite and the other one is clear, crystal clear. So these are $26, so not that expensive at all for a very high-end case. Now the unboxing experience is pretty simple. It's a matte black case with this honeycomb pattern or DNA or whatever you want to call it all over it. So it kind of bleeds all over the case. Have a picture of the actual case, Lucid Clear Graphite, and it does say glass-like clarity, fingerprint resistant, and it never discolors. And that's kind of the same with this one as well, once again, except it's crystal clear. Now, as far as the back goes, it just kind of talks about that they've been, that they were founded on basically saying that the idea of more isn't better. So they're really big on minimalist stuff. So as you can see here, minimalist perfection, it's all over the box, minimalist perfection. So yeah, so that's kind of their thing. Talks about their green initiative here. And once again, you can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. So let's go ahead and get these cases out. So you just kind of slide it up here and there we go. And the little booklet that's inside here, mainly the thing you want to look at is it has a 1-year hassle-free warranty and a 30-day return and exchange policy. So that is pretty nice that they offer that. And let's go ahead and get the crystal clear version out as well. Put this to the side. So right off the bat, you can see that graphite obviously is graphite and the clear is very clear. So I'm a big fan of translucent or semi-translucent cases that are black, and so this one's going to be one that I gravitate towards more. Now since I have my iPhone 12 with a black carbon fiber skin, I'm really anxious to see how this is going to look. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop it in here in the corners and just push in like so. And there is the black version or graphite version. Let me go ahead and wipe it down real quick so that way it looks a little bit better. So there we go. So as you can see here, you can see the carbon fiber. The Apple logo obviously stands out big time since it's a chrome, like, you know, metallic logo there. So very reflective. Now have some really nice raised lips around the camera bump here. So definitely going to protect those lenses from scratches and whatnot when you do place the phone back down. So let's go ahead and do the shake test and see how it does. So a little bit of a wobble, but not much. But once again, you know, it's a little lip there, so it's gonna be expected. But once again though, it is a very flat back. Now the sides here, you got some Caudabe branding there, so very minimal. And then on the side as well, you have your exposed power button here. So as you can see here, this is kind of the way they went with it. So it's actually a cutout, but it's kind of got like a lip around it. So you can kind of fill it there, but you have access to the power button very easily. Going down to the bottom, you can see that it has these cutouts here at the base. So it's not a complete flush border, but then you do have your lightning port cut out here, and then they do go with this design with just having cutouts for the speaker, so just the dots for the speakers, not an actual dedicated cutout. And then wrapping around to the side here where your volume up and down buttons are and your alert slider is, you do have the same type of style of cutouts, so each individual button is cut out. So you have complete access to the real actual buttons and not an actual button that is a part of the case. And easy access to the alert slider. And then of course nothing at the top, but it's a whole entire case is a graphite case. But the cool thing about the case is it does try to mimic the actual beauty of the boxy style of the iPhone 12. So it is just a tad, tiny rounded edge here. So it's not as sharp as it feels when you have just the phone in your hand without a case. So it does help with that. It is fingerprint resistant, but as far as smudges go, you're gonna get some smudges on here, but that's always gonna be the case with a clear case. So is what it is. But let's go ahead and do the wireless charging test. So let's get the MagSafe charger here and see how it does. So instantly it tells me that it is on. You heard the ding there, so MagSafe compatible without a doubt. And then let's go ahead and do the alert slider. So the alert slider is super easy to access, so no issues at all there. So 2 thumbs up with that. Now let's go ahead and pop this off real quick, and let's go ahead and put on the clear version and see how that looks with the carbon fiber skin. So let me go ahead and grab this one here. Gonna kind of do the same here, just corner to corner, pop in, wipe it down real quick, and there we go. And that is what the carbon fiber skin looks like with the crystal clear Lucid Clear case. So definitely shows off that carbon fiber skin. And even if I didn't have a carbon fiber skin, then it's going to show off the nice black back of the iPhone 12. And then as you can see here, everything's identical to the Graphite one. It's just crystal clear. So same hump around the camera, same cutouts here for your power button and the volume up and down and alert slider. Same little cutouts here on the corners. And then you do have the Caudabe branding there as well. So once again, it feels like there's not really a case on it. It's really slim, it's very minimal. So definitely, I think it's worth the money if you are looking for a high-end case that looks good. But yeah, so there it is, guys. So hit that like button if you like the video, and if you really love the video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and keep on coming back for more. I do post videos at least once a week minimum, so keep on coming back, guys. So appreciate it, guys. Be safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.